Find non-negative integers a, b, c which satisfy 1011 to the power of a plus b squared c equals 2023 if a is greater than or equal to 2, 1011 to the power of a is greater than 2023. So equation 1 has no non-negative integer solutions. So a must be less than 2, as a is a non-negative integer. So either a equals 1 or a equals 0. Case 1, a equals 1. Equation 1 can be written as 1011 plus b squared c equals 2023. By rearranging the equation, we have b squared c equals 1012. Factors of 1012 are 1, 2, 4, 11, 22, 23, 44, 46, 92, 253, 506, 1012. Of them, only 1 and 4 are perfect squares. So b equals 1 or b equals 2. From equation 2, we know that c equals 1012 or c equals 253. Case 2, a equals 0. Equation 1 can be written as 1 plus b squared c equals 2023. By rearranging the equation, we have b squared c equals 2022. Factors of 2022 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 337, 674, 1011, 2022. Of them, only 1 is a perfect square, so b equals 1. From equation 3, we know that c equals 2022. Thus, a, b, c equals 1, 1, 1012, 1, 2, 253, 0, 1, 2022 are the solutions of the given equation. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.